So now we're going to make an origami parrot, part of our pet shop series, and you can, when you're done, you can put it onto the playmat like this. So first we're going to start with our parrot piece of paper, which looks like this, and we're going to have, so the word top is here at the top and facing up. We're going to fold the paper in half on the diagonal, crease it, and open it back up. Then we're going to fold from right to left, again on the diagonal, in the middle. Next, we're going to fold along this dotted line all of the left flap. So both pages, you fold it along the dotted line like this, and then you fold only the top flap back towards the left along this dotted line. So we fold it back this way and crease it well. Then we're going to fold the whole piece in half downwards like this. Next, we're going to follow this dotted line here and fold the wing up. So here's one wing, we're going to fold it up along the dotted line, and we're going to turn it over and do it on the same on the other side, and fold along that dotted line and fold up the other wing. And the last bit is we take the beak and we inside reverse fold, which just means tucking it in. So take your finger and put it inside and push down to make the beak. And we are done our parrot, and we can take a little bit of tape, put it at the back, and add it to our scene.